So what are we going to cover up in this session? Now see, this is going to be a short session, right? So we will try to cover up only few topics. What would be those topics? The topics would be converting time from 12-hour system into 24-hour system. Then we would be doing the addition and subtraction of time. I hope you are aware of it. If not, then we will learn it in this class. And once we are good at the addition subtraction, we will learn how to find out the duration of a time. That is the time from start time and end time. What is the difference between them? We will find out that. Then we will do some word-based problems on it. And then we will come across some special type of questions, kids. What would be those special questions? Those special questions are called chocolate questions. Okay, these chocolate questions are going to be specific and special questions which you will find only in Priyasha teacher's class. Now, what are those questions? They are either previous year questions or something which is of the same level as that of IMO, which you can call as the expected questions, maybe something as of the same level. Okay, so after we have done up with the entire session, we will wrap up the session with some chocolate questions so that we can see how many of you have understood the concept clearly. Okay, so ready for the session, everyone? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so fine. Here comes a little recap of few formulas. Can you people here help me, please? Yes, Priyanshi, can you please help me with these options A, B, and C? I have just forgotten. How many seconds do we have in a minute? Because this is what we will need in our class today. Very good, Tanmay. Excellent. Very nice, Praveen. We have 60 seconds. Very good, Nisha. Very good, Priyanshi. Excellent. But what about hour? If I ask you that how many minutes are present in an hour, the answer remains absolutely the same, right, kids? Yes, ma'am. It will still remain as 60 minutes. Very good, excellent. And Praveen has already given me the answer for the next one, that in one day, ma'am, we are having 24 hours. So if we know this, you know what? We know everything. Let's see, how do we know everything? So this means that you are good with the formulas. Now I will take you to the next slide where I will ask you to add this time. Can you tell me the answer, kids? Try doing that. I'll give you 1 minute to solve it on your own. And the ones who are facing any difficulties can read the screen, as well as I am there to help you out in this. Okay, so what does the step 1 says? Before continuing, let me give you at least 10 seconds to solve it on your own. Try doing that on your own, kids. Try doing that. Yes, I'll give you exactly 10 seconds. Then I'll start. There I go. Good, good. Try doing that. I can see the video. Okay, Praveen. Yes, yes. What have you done? You have added 4, you have added 50, you have added 85. Good. So what have Praveen does? He has helped me with these 2 steps. Okay. What are the 2 steps which Praveen helped me with? He has treated all the columns separately and he has simply added up the answer. Yes or no, Praveen? You have done till here? Very good. Now, others, tell me, have you seen answers like this coming up in? No, right? No. We always have seconds which are less than 60. We always have minutes which are less than 60. When there is an hour given to us, right? So when there is an hour given to us, we always have the other 2 columns less than 60. So what is the third step, guys, which you can see on the screen? Except for the hours column, you have to go and check if any other column is more than 60 or not. So can you all tell me in the chat box, which column is more than 60? Minutes or seconds? Come on, help your teacher. Teacher wants the answer. Very good, Daya. Very good, Tanmay. The second one is more than 60. So what will this person do? Now seconds will say, I have more. What should I do? Should I pass it on to someone? Yes, the answer would be correct. But how are we going to pass it on? Very nice, Nisha. Can you tell me why will I exactly subtract 60 and not any other number? Tell me, tell me. Because when the second will go to minutes and say, minutes, can you please take some extra seconds from me? See, I am having 25 seconds extra. Can you take that? So minutes will say, no, I only deal in my quantity, that is minutes. So if you want to give me, you have to give me 1 minute. Very good, Nisha. And following this pattern, seconds will say, okay, fine, I know mathematics, okay, and I know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So what will seconds do? Seconds will subtract 60 from itself so that it comes as 25, and it will give this extra 1 minute to the minutes section. Yes or no, kiddos? Tell me yes or no. Yes. So now if what will be my final answer? Tell me. Now I want the answer from you. Come on. What will be the final answer? How many hours, how many minutes, and how many seconds do you have now? Correct, Priyanshi? 4 hours remains the same. What about the minutes, guys? Come on. Tell me the answer. How many minutes am I having now? Praveen, 99. How 9? We are already having 50 minutes and I have taken up 1 minute. Very good, Tanmay. Thanks for the beautifully written answer. It will be 51 minutes. Excellent, Nisha. And how many seconds? Very good. 25. So now tell me, is it following the third step? Is the minutes and the seconds both less than 60? Yes? Yes, ma'am. So this will be my final answer. The minutes and the seconds both are less than 60. So my final answer would be 4 hours, 51 minutes and 25 seconds. Confirm if everyone understood this. If everyone understood this, then very nice. Tell me a yes. Otherwise, you can raise your hand if you did not understand anything in between, guys. You understood everything? Should I move to the next topic? Excellent. My kids are really brainy and intelligent. So if you people can add, can you people subtract? Oh yes, for sure, ma'am. And if not, then ma'am has already written the steps on the screen. So if no is your answer, then please read the steps and give yourselves 30 seconds to solve this answer. Come on, give yourself some time and try to solve it before the ma'am does it. Come on, here we start. Good, good. Do it. I can see the video. People are engrossed in solving. I like it. Very nice. Sanmit, Diya, Arya. Good. Okay, Priyanshi, Praveen, all are ready solving. Others have not turned on their video. Oops. No problem. Okay. Guys, 10 seconds left. Go on, do it, do it. Okay, cool. So busy. Want my help? Need the help? 5 seconds? 5 seconds left? Okay, time up. Yes, now teacher will start teaching you. Now what we have to do here, the step 1 says that treat all the columns separately. So we will be separately treating all the columns. And second step says that we have to check if the top value, when I say the top value, guys, this denotes the top value, this denotes the bottom value. So if the top value is less than the bottom value, then we will borrow from the left hand side. Yes, so let us check for the seconds. Is the top value less than the bottom value? 30 is less than 55? Yes? Yes, ma'am. So how are we going to borrow? We are going to do the same thing. Seconds is going, and that second is going and asking minutes, minute. Can you give me some additional seconds? See, I am 25 less than my value. But this minute will again say, see, I deal only in minutes, so I can give you 1 minute. So tell me, guys, you people know mathematics, right? You can say that, okay, if I get 1 minute, I can easily convert it into seconds. Right now, only 2 slides back, I have converted it. What was the answer? see, your teacher forgot it. Please tell me the answer. What will be 1 minute? How many seconds? Tell me. Help your teacher, guys. Very good, Praveen. 60. Very good, Nisha, Priyanshi. Excellent. So if I get 1 minute from here, then what will happen? I will get an additional 60 seconds over here. But this minute will become 19. Yes or no? Yes, ma'am. Oh, wow. Tanmay has given me an answer. Let's see whether it is correct or not. Okay, Tanmay? Fine. Now, this seconds is done. Seconds is how much now? The top value has become 90 now because it is 60 plus 30. And the bottom value is 55. So now the top is more than the bottom. So no problem here. But what about the minutes, guys? Minutes is still, the top value is less. So it will go to an hour. R will cancel off and will become 2. And it will give me 1 hour is equals to how many minutes? Again, repeated question. 60. Correct. So now what is my top value? 60 plus 19. How much do I get? 16 plus 90. Tell me, students. I get a 79. Yes. So what is my final question looking like? My final question will look like this, where I will have 2 at the top, 1 at the bottom for the hours part. For the minutes part, I have 60 plus 19, which is 79. And at the bottom, I have 30. And then I have 90 and 55. Can you people help me give the correct answer now? I have already got it. I have already got it. Good. Good. Excellent. Am I doing the correct calculation, guys? I have just got 1 correct answer till now. That is from Priyanshi. She said 1 hour, 49 minutes, 35 seconds. So let's quickly go and move to the conversion of 12-hour system into 24-hour system. You know the AM/PM, right? The full form of it is already there on the screen, guys. It's anti-meridian and post-meridian. But can you give me an example of a 24-hour system? Example of a 24-hour system? Anytime you wish, like, just give me an example. Or where have you seen such 24-hour systems coming up? Any answers on that? Very good, Praveen. 15.00. And what does time mean in 12 hours? And one more question for you. Your tutor has so many questions for you, right? This question says that, have you ever seen an AM or PM coming up with this time? Very good, Dia. Have you ever seen any AM or PM coming up with 24-hour system? No. Why? Because in itself means that it is in the PM part, right? And how do we convert it? We simply subtract 12 and get the answer. And whatever answer we get, we add a PM to it. Try doing this. It is that simple. Yes or no, guys? Yes, ma'am. I can show you one chart and you can clearly see that the relation between them is that of plus 12 only. If I want to denote 1 PM, I will just add 12 to it and I will make it 1300. I will make it 14, I'll make it 15, and just like that. So can you people tell me the answer for this question? Now quickly, I'll give you only 30 seconds to solve this. It's very easy, guys. You have to just solve it and subtract it. Subtract 12 hours from this 24-hour system. What is your answer which you are getting? 23 minus 12 gives you how much? Do it quickly. Any answers? No answers? Okay, Praveen is trying, others are trying. Okay. It's very easy, guys. You have to just subtract 12. Come up with answers, kiddo. Very good, Daya. Very good. 11 is what you get from here. 20 is what you get from here. And 30 is what you get from here. Why? Because, ma'am, whenever we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number. Yes or no? Very good. Now I have got all the correct answers. And will this be AM or PM? The last question. Will this be AM or PM, guys? Of course. Oh no, Praveen, what has happened? No, 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 no. We always have it as PM. Correct, correct. See, I just asked you this thing because I wanted you to convert it into 12 hours. And whenever you convert the 24-hour system into 12-hour system, we always get the answers as PM. Make it a point. Okay? Okay. Now. It's a very interesting thing. If you can do addition, if you can do subtraction, then can you tell me how many hours come in between 9:30 to 10:30, guys? 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. 1 hour. Wow, so easy was that. And what about the other answer? Ma'am, I will just do the way you have taught me immediately. I will subtract it. I will borrow. I will get 60 more. I will get total of 87 at the top. 60 plus 27 gives us 87. And when I subtract 87 from 40, what will I get? I'll get a 7, and 8 minus 4 will give me a 4. So, ma'am, the answer will be 1 hour 47 minutes. Yes or no? Will that be so easy? Yes or no? Only in the chat box I want a yes or a no, because we have very less time left with us. Yes. Okay, great. You people solved it and gave me the answer. I'm proud of you. Very nice. But what if it is from AM to PM, guys? Just take an easy example. If I say that it is 10 o'clock in AM and it is 10 o'clock at PM, so what is the duration? How many hours are we going forward? How many hours are between them? Very good, Praveen. We have 12 hours in between. So if we want to solve this, what we can do is we can simply minus this and get the answer. Okay. When we minus this, what will happen? This will be carryover. This will be 60 plus. This will together give me 75, and 75 minus 45 will give me 30 minutes and 0 hours, of course. So that means the answer will be only 30 minutes. But because, ma'am, you have written AM and PM, so excellent, Tanmay, we will add up 12 to it, and my total answer will become 12 hours and 30 minutes. Excellent. Now I think you people are ready for the first chocolate question of the day. Are you ready? Ping me a yes immediately. Yes. Okay. So here comes your first chocolate question of the day. Try doing this question, guys. Try to read the screen properly. Tell me if you can't read the screen, then I can zoom it for you people maybe. Yes, Sanmit, you have to give the answers in minutes. Tell me. Read the clock properly and tell me what is the start time, what is the end time. Go step by step. We will always break the questions in part and solve it. So the first part of your question will be, what is the start time? Tell it in the chat box, what will be the start time? And the second part of the question will be, what is the end time? And the third part of the question will be the difference between 2 minus 1. And the fourth part of the question will be converting it into minutes. Very good. Okay, Alan, you have replied it to me privately, the answer, but I want the start time. You can see over here, this is not still at 5. Yes, very good, Tanmay. The start time will be, if I count starting from here, it's 12, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it is still not there at 6. So it will be 5. And this will be 55. Yes or no? No. Sanmit, what are you people doing? You people are making some mistakes. Let me zoom in the screen for you people. See it properly. You always count it like this. Okay, you know this is 12, this is 11, this is 1. So the trick over here would be that whatever number you have, like you have it 11, just multiply it with 5. When you multiply this with 5, you get a 55 in the minutes hand. And how many minutes? See that it is still not here at 6, right guys? It is still, there are 5 minutes to 6. Yes, correct, Praveen. So we will have that. Start time will be how much, guys? 5:55. Excellent, Priyanshi. The time will be 5:55. Now, what about the end time? You see, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8. So whenever you have a minute's hand, or sorry, the hour's hand between two numbers, we will always go for the smaller number, ma'am. So it will be 7 hours. And what is 90, guys, which you are writing me? I don't understand the 90. Okay, you people are giving me the answers. Oh God, teacher is so slow. My kids have already given me the answer. Great. So this is 7 and this is how much? This is 25. So my end time is 7:25. My start time is 5:55. So how much will I get when I subtract this? When I add it up, I will get a 85, and 85 minus 55 will give me a 30 and a 1. So my answer will be 1 hour 30 minutes, which means 1 hour is 60, 30 is 30. When I add them up, a big bingo to the ones who gave me the right answer, which is 90 minutes. Come on, guys. You should give a bingo to yourself. You all gave me the right answer. Absolutely right answer. Any doubts on this question, please let me know. Any doubts? Should we have one more question for the day? Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, no doubts. Okay, that means we can move to the next question. Now, this is a cute little question. Guys, read the question properly. This is the only hint I can give you. Try solving this question. Rohan is leaving his house at 7:45 a.m. He is taking 15 minutes to get to the bus. He boarded the bus immediately and the bus dropped him at 9:15. So how long did the bus take? Come on, guys. Answer. Excellent, Tanmay. Excellent. What about others? Very good, Sanmit. And how did we do that? Listen, guys, this is what I wanted to tell you people. What part is unnecessary here? The unnecessary part is this. You did not mention, or you did not start calculating from 7:45. Why? Because 7:45 plus 15 minutes is equivalent to 8 o'clock. And 8 o'clock is the time when he has actually boarded the bus. Yes or no? Others? Please respond. I'm not getting answers from Arya. Arya, are you doing the questions? Tell me. Yes, you have raised your hand. Doing the questions. If any doubts, then please let me know. You can raise your hand just like Dia and others. You can ask me your questions. Tanvi, I'm not getting answers from you as well. Praveen and all, Alan are replying me. So others who are not giving me answers, please tell me if you have a doubt, like Shikha, Manoj. I am there to answer you. Okay, this is all simple, right, guys? We have 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock is the time when I boarded the bus. So my start time will become 8 and my end time will become how much? 9:15. If I subtract them, I will get 1 hour 15 minutes, which will be my right answer. So here, what was the trick? We are not going to take or start calculating from 7:45. Excellent. I want to put up one more question to you guys. One more, the last one of the day. Okay. Now, this is an interesting question. Come on, read that question carefully, and with this, we will wrap up the session. So this is the last question of the day, guys. Come on, let us do it together. Read the questions properly. And everyone, I need answers from everyone this time. Okay. It can be wrong, it can be right, doesn't matter, but you should try, you should answer, right? Yes, great. Okay, Tanvi, Dia, Arya, all solving. Sanmit, Priyanshi, solving, good. Priyanshi has turned off her video now. Others have turned off their video, no problem. If you have any doubts, do let me know. And give yourself 30 seconds to understand this question. The interesting part is this. And there is one more interesting part in this question. Can you people note it? Can you people note it out? What is that interesting part? Yes, I'm getting answers in private. Okay. Yes, correct. That the another interesting part is this. The days are changing. So make your calculations accordingly, kids. Great. Okay. Yes, Praveen. So if you can't understand, then let us solve it together. Batman is starting, okay, he is starting to fly from New York. And what is the start time, students? Tell me. At least let us solve it part by part. What is the start time? The start time is 17, that is 5 exactly. But on which day? It is on Sunday. And what is the end time? The end time is 9:30, that is 9:30 p.m. or 21:30. But on which day, kids? The day is on Monday. Excellent. The day will be on Monday. So now tell me, if you subtract 21:30 from 17, oh sorry, subtract 17 from 21:30, how much are you getting? Tell me. Are we getting 4 hours 30 minutes? Are you all also getting the same answer, kids? Just tell me yes or no. Yes or no? No? Yes, yes, yes. Now Praveen has added it up all. Okay, now what is happening? 4 hours 30 minutes is the time when I have it on a Sunday only, but my end time is on a Monday. Now tell me guys, one day is equals to how many hours? Correct, 24 hours. So I will add up 24 to my existing answer. So what is the time between his end time and start time? It will become 28 hours and 30 minutes. Tell me yes or no. Our question is yet not complete, guys. What is the question saying? That he has rested at a hotel for 4 hours. So if I ask you the time for which he was flying, obviously when he was resting in the hotel, he was not flying. Right, guys? Yes. So now I have started getting the right answers, where kids are easily going and subtracting 4 hours and getting the right answer as 24 hours and 30 minutes. That is equivalent to 24 hours, 0.5. Wow, I have so intelligent kids around me. Now did everyone understand this? Come on, tell me a yes in the chat box. Yes or no? This was the last question, guys. So tell me if you people enjoyed this session.